precious maiden. Oh, she's so brave.
I don't trust Uzomi. I don't trust her.
Why would you say a thing like that?
A maiden that lost the prince to you is the maiden you trust. How? Have you thought about if Uzomili is still bitter about that? You've not thought about it, have you?
But I never knew she has something with the prince. She didn't say a word to me, and I'm certain no maiden in this kingdom has seen them together.
You are correct. But that notwithstanding, you know how our minds work. So many things are creeping into my head. Were you not surprised that the maidens did not show up? Because I am. This maiden, they listen to Zomili as much as they listen to you. Who knows what she might have told them that made them not to come? Think, my sister, think. Think, Adikuku.
I don't want to believe Uzomili has a hand in this. I have not done anything for her to treat me like that.
Okay. All I'm asking is that you treat her like every other maiden. Do not let her in on everything and give her every information. That's what I'm asking.
She has not given me any reason to just cast her out like that.
You know your heart is pure. You are like water. You don't have an enemy, which is a very good thing. But it will ruin everything you are trying to do if you go about thinking that everybody is like you. That is the part I don't want. No.
Why would
it will ruin everything for you. Listen to me, Ada. I am talking to you. I'm talking to you like an elder sister. I have seen things. I have seen people betray people. Are you going to listen to me? But not to worry. Like I always say, if it means spilling my blood to give you my support, I will. Are there tears in your eyes? Mba, no. Don't cry.
She has no reason to sabotage me this way.
Don't worry. Everything will be fine. Your big sister is here. Don't worry. Relax.
Chicken.
Kene?
What are you doing here?
I'm actually coming to see you.
Coming to see me?
Kenechukwu, why are you welcoming me with such hostility? Why are you being harsh? I never know you to be a troublesome person since my entire life. What have I done? And why did you suddenly change?
You want to know why I changed? I will tell you. Chike, ever since you made your intentions known to me about marrying me, it became something else. I mean, I don't want to see you anywhere around me. You are frustrating my life. You're making my life miserable. I don't want you anywhere around my heart or around me. Can't you just understand that?
Kene, I love you. You are the woman of my heart. You are everything I need as a woman. Why are you doing this? What have I done to deserve this? Why are you treating me this way? Please. I still remember vividly how we used to be like lovers. We were so close. Why sudden change?
You want to know? I will tell you the reason why every single thing changed. I will tell you that, Chike. You know, whenever I see you, I feel more angry. I feel like hurting you. I feel like doing something so harsh to you. I mean, if you want things to fall back in place, if you want things to get back to normal, then go back to the king and solicit for the maidens of this kingdom. Chike, we are suffering. We are dying. We are going through pains. Our hearts are broken. I am tired of crying morning, night.
Kennechuku.
Stop. I forbid you from calling my name in full.
I love you.
Chike, keep your love to yourself and leave my compound right now before I do something rash to you. And I mean it.
You are the love of my life.
Okay.
You are my sun. You are my moon. You are the water. You are the air that I breathe. You are everything. You are...
I know.
You are all I have.
I am everything you have.
Yes.
You want to marry me, right?
I want to marry you.
You will go to the king and tell him that Kennechuku said the maidens of this kingdom are suffering. The maidens of this kingdom are going through pains. The maidens of this kingdom are suffering.
Then I will make you the...
Leave my compound! Leave my compound! Onyala!
Hey, yeah. She's the voice of the maidens. Hey, a fearless maiden. Hey. Oh, she's so brave.
Welcome, my prince.
I heard what happened today. You have now become an object of mockery. Even the people you are fighting for now laugh at you.
So you have come to my father's compound to sit and mock me too, huh?
Adekuku, the truth, they say it is bitter, but only those who care about you will tell you the truth either way. How did you even think you were going to pull this through? I mean, what were you even thinking? What was the plan? Tell me.
What do you mean by that?
Listen, you are a woman and you are working with women, and you and I will agree that women will always be women. Let me tell you something. Women always go against each other. They never support each other. They are envious, they are jealous. It is not possible for this to happen. Adikuku, you are fighting a fruitless war.
I am not fighting a fruitless war. I represent fruitfulness. I am a woman. I represent progress. I represent future and life.
What is it? Adikuku, listen to me. Things do not work that way. Just quit and get married to me, and all of this would be in the past. Yeah, but
I can see you've pinched your times. It's obvious you will never change. Prince of Isunyenato, leave my father's compound and never return.
Hey, yeah. She's the voice of the maidens. Hey, a fearless maiden. Hey. Oh, she's so brave. Yeah, oh. Yeah. She is wise and she is brave. She's a bold and fearless maiden. She fights for what is right and just. She always be.
Have you seen what I've been warning you against? Look at what you brought upon yourself. The humiliation, the entire village laughing at you. How do you feel about it?
My mother taught me that nothing good comes easy. And I must find out who is against my agenda. I am not about to give up anytime soon.
If you do not give up, I'll be forced to give you up.
Just so you know, my father, I didn't wake up and started doing all this. I gave it a long period of time. And I know that I must do this to restore peace and sanity in my kingdom.
What?
I am doing the right thing, father. I know I am. Nobody will stop me. Not even the king.
Are you mad?
Maybe I am mad. Okay, maybe I have lost my senses. But if losing my senses is going to bring this kingdom to sanity, if it's going to bring the right thing to the right places, so be it. Okay, for Zana, cousin, so be it. That's what I want.
Hey, yeah. She's the voice of the maidens.
I've warned you, and I'm still warning you. The fight you're about to start is bigger than you. But you wouldn't listen.
She's so brave.
She only wants the best for us. She's losing everything just to fight for us. She's not selfish. If she were to be selfish, she would just leave us, get married to the prince, and have a happy home.
It's a lie. She is still seeing the prince. She's still planning to marry the prince. She's just using us to gain her selfish desire.
Exactly. That is not true. I know her too well. She is my friend. And she'll never do that to us.
Ladies of Isoyenato, I greet you all.
Hey, Cheno, where are you all going? Let us hear her out. Ogininu, come back. Ndudi, even you. Here. Hey.
Who went wrong?
Ha.
Eh? What went wrong? I thought I had everything under control. I prayed before the altar of Ogugu before embarking on this journey. What is going on?
Don't worry. The same gods will answer your prayer. Everything will be fine. Oh, I am here with you. Everything will be fine.
They feel that you just want all of them for your own selfish gain. You're doing all this for you.
Mwah.
How? Marokwam, I don't know who told them that.
Yes, that is the question. Who told them?
Mom?
Omukinaju. Who told them, Uzomi? And I have a question for you too. Why are you here first? Are you not supposed to wait? Why did you get here first? Is there something you want to tell us?
Do not even.
Why now? Tell us, let's hear.
What sort of talk is that? What does that mean?
Hey.
Bikokwa, I don't want to start with you. I had to come here first to calm everywhere, to calm the air.
And you call
before
this
she
calmness.
arrives.
You call this calmness.
What do you want me to do?
No, you have calmed them. They have walked away.
AJ,
this is how you calm them.
Stay on your own.
Don't worry. Go home and rest. I will fight
for you. Have you seen what you've done?
I am behind you. Solidly.
Ijema. Look at my way.
You're pretending to kill you.
I don't even want to. You pretend that you're the one.
I am strong, I am wise, I represent productivity. I am Adikuku, whatever I set to do, I must achieve. I am not a failure. I am not a failure. I represent progress, future. I will get to the root of this. I must get to the root of this.
Hey, yeah. She's the voice of the maidens. Hey, a fearless maiden. Hey. Oh. She's so brave.
Chike, what just happened? Why didn't you just say a word to a maiden you love and you want to call your wife? Just let her pass. She didn't even say a word to us. What is going on?
Ebuka, it has gone beyond her being my friend.
What is it?
All she sees in me now is like a wood eaten by a cankerworm. Like nothing is in me again for her to see.
Wait, I just don't understand what you're saying.
Ebuka, she chased me out of her compound the other time with cutlass. I mean a very sharp one at that.
Who? Kende chased you with cutlass.
Ebuka, you make me look stupid.
You are stupid.
Am
now.
I stupid to you?
Hey, you are stupid now. Kende chased you with...
Why am I looking so stupid to you? Am I asking you for anything? I'm telling you that she chased me out of her compound with a very sharp cutlass.
This is exactly what I have been saying. The maidens of this land need to be curbed and addressed and put in their places where they belong.
Ebuka, when you say curbed and addressed, what do you mean by that? I don't understand. What do you mean by curbed and addressed? Ebuka, I'm talking to you. Can you mean by curbed and addressed? Can you mean by that? What does that mean?
You need to be a man. Yes.
Ebuka, do you even know the meaning of curbed? Curbing a lady that you love. Do you even know what it means?
Do you like what she just did to us now, me and you?
Ebuka,
you are even confused. You don't know where to go again.
Why are you doing all this? Why have you refused to accept the fact that she has our best interest at heart? Why? She has nothing to gain in all this. Her father is wealthy and influential. Why can't you just see it?
Why is she trying to help us if she has nothing to gain? Or is she bored?
Well, this is the same question I keep asking myself. But she's the only one that knows why she wants to help us. But trust me when I say she has good intention.
That was not what we were told.
What were you told? And who told you?
Forget you heard anything from me. But I'll get back to you on this.
Who is this one trying to tarnish her image?
What is happening? What is going on? What happened?
We are here to pledge our solidarity and undying loyalty to you. We are ready to fight so we can all put an end to this.
But you promise us that you will never leave us no matter what happens.
You will never abandon us.
We are ready to stand by you.
Yes.
Fight with you.
Yes.
Cry with you. And laugh with you.
Yes! That is what I am talking about. Beautiful maidens of Isoyenato, I am proud of each and every one of you. I am so grateful. This is a sign that the gods of Isoyenato Kingdom, whom I prayed to before embarking on this journey, is with us.
Yes!
And I promise you, we will win this fight.
Yes!
We will conquer.
Yes! Beautiful maidens of Isonyenato Kingdom, it's time for action. It's time to take the bull by the horn. Yes! Who is ready?
We are ready! Beautiful maidens of Isonyenato, the ruling class, or whatever they are called, they will know what it means for women to unite together and fight. They will feel the power of women when they unite together to achieve a cause. This kingdom, this community, this village will know the value of women.
Yes!
The value of each and every maiden in this kingdom.
Yes!
Beautiful maidens of Isonyenato Kingdom, the time has come. I was never expecting this to happen so soon, but the gods did it. The gods did it! May the gods of our land be praised!
Ise! So, what next?
I don't even know what to say. My heart is filled with happiness. I don't know where to start from. But look, in the next Afro Market Day, we will have to reassemble, so we will discuss more on what to do. I mean, the way forward.
Yes.
Beautiful maidens of Isonyenato, I am proud of each and every one of you. We will win this fight.
Yes!
We will win this fight.
Yes!
The ruling class must stop.
Yes!
Equality in our land.
Yes!
Thank you all. Thank you.
She's the voice of the maidens.
Ichiagumba.
Who is this fickle child that becomes a name that she does not know how to mention it? Oh, Adikuku, you are stepping into borders that your legs will be too heavy to carry you back. What nonsense is this? That you have brought your fickle gods into my compound.
We demand to see our friend and maiden Isioma. We have not seen her mingle with other maidens in this land just because of you. You have decided not to let her have a say in her life.
I will pretend you are not here because of Isioma. And I warn you all to leave my compound before I get back to this place.
We are not leaving without Isioma Ichiagumba.
Adaikuku, I can see you're daring me. You daughter of Nze Benebu.
That is my father's name, but I'm not my father. I am only his daughter. Maidens, go there and search for Isioma because she's one of us.
One more word from you without bringing out all your manipulative maidens. The sound of this gun will be the last sound you will hear.
Adikuku, she's not here.
Where is Isioma Ichiagumba?
You have one more chance to go home and ask your father that useless question. Else, this gun I'm holding will teach any of you how to do it.
Maidens, let's go.
She's the voice of the maidens. A fearless maiden.
Ada. Adikuku. So what next? What's wrong? What's with all this?
Some of us has to go and search for her. We shall convey at the square after that.
Alright, we'll all disperse one by one in search of her. I think you should go this way. Okay. Come with me. Okay.
Where are we? Please, where are you taking me to? Where? Help me!
My wife will be a teacher. Don't say anything. Don't say a word. You are the key too. Don't say it.
Father, from what I have gathered, Adikuku is gradually gaining momentum. And as a matter of fact, all the maidens in Isonyenato are gradually turning their faces towards her, thereby leading them to trusting their fate in her hands.
Ezenia, I need you to do whatever you can do to disorganize whatever plan that they have, but not a scratch on her body. You know why? She is going to be queen in Isio Yenato, and she must not have any scratch.
Father, stubbornness will always lead to brutality, Father.
Save your brutality for the battlefield. She is only a mere woman. Their brains fickle. What is your problem? You should know all these things as one who is raised in royalty. Or am I supposed to be teaching you everything?
I'll do my best, Father.
I am not expecting you to do just your best. I am expecting you to do more because your best may not actually be enough. Go out of your way. Find out whatever you must do to disorganize whatever plans that they have and ensure it yields no result. Can you do that?
Yes, Father.
That is exactly what I want you to do. You go all out and achieve that result.
I'll do just that, Father.
Thank you.
I'll take my leave now.
You did not see me. Iforom. Ijema. What is it?
What is what?
What is all this?
How dare you? What is it that you're scheming that you're not involved in? Tell me.
Pia, pia, pia. Let this be the last time you lay your filthy hands on me. Else.
Else what? Else what? Answer me. Uzomili, you can carry yourself about as much as you want. But let me ask you, do you really think there's something you can do to me? No, I want to know. Something tells me that you're scheming against Adekuku. Do you mind telling me what is it you're scheming?
Well, if you must know, I think you are the one scheming something. Because the meeting went simply very well, all because we did not invite you. Tell me, what are you scheming? Because I'll find out. I must find out.
Adekuku is my friend. Best friend. She stood by me through thick and thin. So tell me, what in the name of the gods gave you the guts to think in your silly head that I will scheme against such a soul? Tell me.
Are you done talking?
Yes. Now I need an answer.
I'm going to find out. Simni Ropo, Biko.
Ishiagumba, you are welcome one more time. But it seems your heart is troubled once again. What is it?
My king, you are wise and knowledgeable enough to know that my heart is troubled and I'm bereaved.
And what is it that troubles you this time? Can you at least let it out?
My king, I almost shot a maiden in this kingdom. Yes, she has trespassed into my compound several times. Uninvited, unannounced.
Who is this maiden who will not respect the fact that you are a council member and will be trespassing into your compound? Who is the maiden?
That maiden is Nze Ibenebu's daughter. She has the guts to invade my compound with her fellow maidens. Just looking for what is not theirs. If not for leniency and perseverance, my king, Nze Ibenebu would have been mourning her daughter and every other maiden that accompanied her to my compound.
Ishiagumba, I sincerely want to thank you for the maturity you showed by not doing what you thought was right by shooting somebody. It actually goes to show that you are indeed a strong member in council. It is a fact that Adekuku's misconduct is very concerning. It actually is very, very concerning. You are not the only one who is complaining. Thank you for the majority.
My king, that is why I have come to inform you, so that notice will be given to every house in this kingdom.
Thank you. Thank you for coming, and I want to thank you one more time for the maturity you exhibited.
Thank you, my king.
It goes a long way to show you are indeed a man in council.
Thank you, my king.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please, I want to leave now.
It's okay. It's okay. Hi. Adekuku. You are going to provoke somebody one day and they will just waste your life. What is wrong with this maiden?
The power we have when we unite together as women is something that cannot be stopped. Even the gods will obey. And that is why they are suppressing us, pitching us against one another so we will not unite together and take that which belongs to us. It is time to stand firm, strong, together, and win this fight. This is water and salt. Water is life, and salt is the life of the earth.
Hey, yeah. She's the voice of the maidens. Hey, a fearless maiden. Hey. Oh, she's so brave. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. She is wise and she is brave. She's a bold and fearless maiden. She fights for what is right and just. She always pick up for her kind. Hey. And she always stand for what is right. Hey. She is one of a kind. A woman of the people, hey. Hey, yeah. She's the voice of the maidens, hey. Hey, a fearless maiden.
Now we need to take a stand. And we need to stand strong. If you believe in this movement and you're ready to do all it takes to bring sanity, peace, and equality in this land, I want you to raise one hand up and the other down. Because we are moving up and forward.
I decided to give you audience because I see anger in your faces. What is the problem?
Your Majesty, my wife-to-be has suddenly cancelled our upcoming marriage, saying that the ruling class must make things right.
What did you just say?
Your Majesty, the one I love, a maiden from the ruling class, the one who has always been excited with me, has just cancelled our upcoming engagement. That the ruling class must dismantle the inherited structure that creates discrimination in marriage.
My king, there is a problem in the land. The maidens are waging war against the men of this land. And something needs to be done about it, my king. My wife-to-be, the woman I truly cherish, has refused to communicate with me. She has cancelled the marriage rites that I was supposed to go and do.
My king, my wife don't want me to play with her again, all because of Adikuku. I even threatened me that he want to go back to her father's house.
Listen, young man. I feel your pain. I am not going to sit here and tell you that I don't know what you are complaining. It's something we are handling. I have already detailed my son to look into that matter and see how the structure that Adekuku has set up is going to be dismantled. With this report I'm getting from you now, it simply means that he has not actually done that. Thank you for giving me this feedback. I am going to do something about it.
Thank you, my highness.
Thank you.
Thank you, my king.
Thank you, sir.
Ezania, why are you giving me the impression that you are doing something and the reports I am getting suggest you are doing nothing?
With all due respect, my prince,
I do not see a reason why you should remind me of your father's proclamation against my husband.
Ijema, you know you will agree with me that this kingdom is gradually becoming a rebellious place for anyone to live in. Because of your friend's constant conspiracy towards the throne. I mean Adikuku.
A maiden who means well for her land. A maiden who is fighting a just cause. And you refer to that as being rebellious, my prince.
What just cause is she? Are you people talking about? Ijema, look at yourself. Take a good look at yourself. Among all these maidens that you hang out with, you are the only one with 2 children. Think about it. You see, if my father makes any more proclamations against the rebellious maidens, you will suffer for it the most. Your children may never even see you again. Think about it.
My prince, are you threatening me?
Is
that a threat to my remaining household?
No, it is not a threat. It is a warning. Ijema, my father is beginning to lose it because of your friends and your rebellious gang. Think about your children. Ijema, you still have the love and attention of your children. Don't be foolish.
Yeah. As much as I do not want to be foolish, I still think that my friend Adekuku is fighting a just cause. And my prince, there is nothing absolutely to think about. And if you may excuse me, I would like to leave.
Ijema, don't be foolish. Do the right thing. You know the right thing. Do it. What is wrong with this maid?
Greetings, my king.
You may be seated.
Thank you, my king.
You are not just an onyenze in this land. Apart from being a man in council, you are my personal friend.
I know.
There is a level of loyalty I'm expecting from you that I am not getting.
My king, I have always been very loyal to you. I've always been dedicated to anything that concerns this land. I've always tried to make sure that things are done in your favor.
So why are you allowing your daughter to be the one destroying my reputation? Why are you not stopping her? Or do you want it to be recorded in history that it was during my reign that the revered aristocracy of Isioyenato got destroyed by women?
My king, I've really been talking to her. But she's stubborn. She's as stubborn as her late mother.
But she is your daughter. I need you to talk to her because she is going to listen to you. Let her understand that she cannot destroy the structure we have set in Isioyenato. Let her know that she cannot destroy the aristocracy of this land. If not, that I gathered, she has gone to the central deity. I would have dealt with her ruthlessly.
Now you understand what I've been talking about, my king. She first went to the central deity and caged everyone. Please, let's be handling this thing very carefully. I beg of you. Have you seen what I've been warning you about, but you wouldn't listen? Have you seen where stupidity is causing their fellow maidens?
Nam, welcome. Maybe I should get you water to drink and calm down first.
Adikuku, this is no time for play or joke. A maiden has just been raped. And all the fingers are being pointed at you. And all the blames on you.
Papa, I don't understand. A maiden raped in Isonyenato. How is that even possible? Papa, this has never been heard of before. It has never happened before. What are you talking about?
All these things started when you started your madness. And the men are obviously angry with you.
Banon. Banon. No, now. Father, this is not on me. This is not on Adikuku. Okay? The council of elders and the king need to do something about this, and real quick. I have nothing, absolutely nothing to do with this.
Adikuku, stop what you are doing and everything will stop. That is what I want you to do now.
Maiden raped in Isonyenato kingdom. Oh, this one is not good. This is not good. This is not good.
I was on my way to your hut. You heard about the meetings, right?
I did. I heard it. I don't know. I don't understand it.
Why is all this happening? What is going on?
I think someone is trying to make me stop.
I know that. But the question that needs an answer is, are you going to stop?
I can't think. I can't think right now. My greatest fear is that the maidens of Isonyenato doesn't come for me because of this.
But they all know that it's not your fault.
This has never happened. So, have you ever heard of it before? In Isonyenato, a maiden being raped. I've never heard of it, so tell me why now? Why now that I've decided to fight against the wrongs of the stupid, whatever they call it, ruling class? Like, why now?
You need to calm down. We need to find a way to deal with this immediately. We need to make it stop. Biko.
Ebuka. How did you know the maidens are paying me visit today?
Iche, my source reached out to me at the early part of the day.
And who is this your source?
Iche, it's someone I wouldn't want to let out his name or her name.
Oh, you don't want to reveal your source, yet you want to marry my niece?
Iche, it's not like that.
Go and get me fresh palm wine. I need to calm down. I need to cool myself.
I will do that, Iche.
I trust you.
Let me get my beads and my...
No problem. Remember I said fresh palm wine.
I will, sir.
I'm expecting you.
Beautiful maidens of Isonyenato.
I greet you all.
We greet you. Listen, this is what they want from us. They want us to get scared and surrender so they can continue doing the evil acts without anyone questioning them.
Now I have interacted with most men in this village, and they are all in support of what we are doing. They want us to have a kingdom where everyone is equal. Just very few are not in support of us, and they are the problems we have in this kingdom.
But if we unite, we must succeed.
Yes.
We are women.
Yes.
Smart, brave, intelligent, and above all, strong.
Yes.
So we need to fight together. We do not want them to continue calling us mere women, mere cowards who cannot do anything. We need to fight. We need to fight to finish.
Ndudi, who did this to you?
There were two men. They tried to rape me.
Hey!
They said that since we tried to challenge them, that they will kill us.
Hey!
I managed to escape.
Hey! All I wanted was for everyone to be happy. For everyone, both the poor and the powerless, to have a balance in the land. What did I do wrong? What is wrong with my quest? Why will anyone be restricted to love simply because of the background they came from? Nobody, no man or woman chooses the Obi they will be born into. Why are they doing this to me? What is wrong with my quest?
Adi Kuku, you have to take it easy on yourself. You cannot save the entire world.
So,
wait. So. She needs to get used to seeing us together. You must not go after her.
I shouldn't be with you at this moment. I should be out there looking for solution to this mess.
And you think you can do it alone? Listen, you need me. Let me help you. Let me help you.
My prince, you were never there. Zomili has been there. She's been my rock. She's been my strength. If there is someone I need right now, it should be her.
Listen.
I'm not doing this.
What's up? What's up, me?
She's the voice of the maiden.
She's really daring the administrative structure of this kingdom. Let's see where that takes her.
She's so brave.
Are you okay? What is wrong?
I'm alright. There's nothing wrong.
But you're crying. How can you be alright and be crying?
I am not crying. Can you please mind your business, Rapomaka?
And Jiri, I really intend to mind my business, but is it the prince? I saw the prince going to Adekuku's hut as usual. Is that the reason you're crying?
Why can't you just mind your business and leave me alone? Oginidi?
Jiri, good. Wait.
I really want to mind my business. But I have one advice for you, and it's from a concerned soul. Listen to me, Uzo. Adekuku's father is very wealthy and influential. She can get anything she wants. Whatever she sets her mind on it, she can get it because her father is rich. But yours, I can't say same for you. So you see, this thing you're fighting for, it will never come back. I know you had a thing for the prince and all, but it will never come back. So why don't you just move on? Oh?
Who asked you all this?
Ajomgi? Nobody did. Nobody asked me. But like I said, I'm only being concerned. I don't even know why you're wasting all this beauty crying over the prince. Ima, do you know how beautiful you are? I'm sure you don't. But, like I told you before, Adekuku is like the princess of this land. And she can get... Have you seen her? No, just take a close look at her. If you were a man, will you not die for her? You would. But still, you are pretty. So, move on and let the prince be, oh?
Isi Adirogima. You could get out of my sight.
Uzo! Achalugo! Uzo! Uzo!
The more you do this, the more you let me know that you don't even know. Uzo. Please, just stop.
Please, just let me be. Rapubanka, leave me alone. I don't want to listen to any of your explanations.
Uzo, why are you doing this? Listen, why are you feeling let down? Why?
Adikuku, so in the midst of all this, you still find time to spend with him? How could you?
What? Uzo, listen. You think this is easy for me? Is that what you think? Do you even know what I'm going through? Do you have an idea? I was vulnerable. This man came to me. I needed to talk to someone. I just needed to pour out how I feel.
Okay. But I've been with you in all this. We've been going through all this together. And then you went to spend time with one who is possibly the reason we're in this mess. You chose him to be your consolation. Why?
Uzo, listen, okay? You know very well that I appreciate you. I value you. I value I value our friendship. How can you even doubt that? Please, my friend, don't let this come between us. Please, I beg you. Uzo now. Ndo, I'm sorry. Ndo now.
Let me go! Let me go! Leave me alone! Get your hands off me! Rapubanka, leave me! Leave me alone! What is it? Huh? Why would you ask him to bring me here, drag me as if I'm a thief? Did I steal anything from you?
Why did you refuse my invitation?
Leave me alone. What do you want from me?
Listen, Ozomili. You know that it was not my fault that we did not end up together. You know this. Because I've always loved you.
I know that very well. Can I leave now?
Ozomili.
Ogini.
You're still as beautiful as always. Listen, and I honestly regret not fighting for us.
Yet you chose the one that matters to you the most. You did. What is it? Stop acting like you care. What is it?
You know that I always cared about you. Listen, all I ever did was to end up with you. But you see, I was powerless at that time. There was nothing I could do. It was way beyond my control. Listen, your friend Adikuku listens to you, and I need your help now. Okay? I need to get through Adikuku, and you must help me. Please.
What do you want me to do?
I saw her,
Mm-hmm.
and this is not the first time I'm seeing her here. I think she's hiding something.
Please, Biko, I need you to help me find any information that will help me. Oh, please, I really... Don't worry. Here. I'll be waiting.
I do get that.
Yeah, she's the voice of the maidens.
Bam, bam, bam.
Fearless maiden.
Bam, bam, bam. EJ man.
She's so brave.
EJ man. EJ. It seems she's not home. What do we do now?
You can go alone.
I really wanted her to come along. Hey, where could she be?
Oh,
Here she comes.
here you are.
Beautiful maidens of our land. Adekukumani. Uzomulu. Your faces are not bright. I was hoping that the sky has been blue to you today. I hope all is well.
We are going to the king's palace. We want to meet him because of the recent happenings on our maidens. He has not been doing anything to such evil. So that's why we're going, and we need you to come along.
Yes. Yes. Why hasn't he said anything? He hasn't even done anything. He cannot just turn a blind eye on what is happening to us. It is ridiculous. But I will not be able to come along with you. Yes. I took my children to my mother's place and I am supposed to see them today. Oh?
But you can go when we return.
On a second thought, Ada, Uzo, I have a whole lot to do today before going. But trust me, once I'm back, I will come because I want to know the situation of things. I want to know what the king thinks about what is happening to us. But you will have to go without me. Biko Munen. Biko.
Uzo. She's the voice of the maidens. A fearless maiden. Oh, she's so brave.
Adikuku, I've told you before and I'll tell you again. I do not trust Ijema. She's definitely hiding something.
And why would you say a thing like that?
Because she will always hide when matters like this arises. She will never want to get involved. Yet she claims to always support you. How?
Ijema has been through so many things. I can understand she has not been herself ever since she lost her husband.
Nem, look beyond the surface. Please. I'm so sure that Ijema is not really happy with you.
Enough. Enough, please. Let's discuss why we're here.
I say so. Do not say I will not warn you.
My king, we understand that you're doing your best. But we're so afraid and worried. These evil men committing these atrocities are not spirits. They are human beings. Human beings that can be captured and brought to justice. All we are asking you to do is to put more effort before things go out of control.
Adikuku, I warned you. I warned you to stop this useless campaign of yours, but you wouldn't listen. All this started as a result of the useless campaign you have to change the marriage structure of Isio Yanato. I don't know exactly what you are planning to achieve. And can't you stop this and allow things go back to the way they were?
Onyeze, if the raping of the maidens of Isoyinata kingdom does not stop, the maidens of Isoyinata kingdom will rise. And when we do, no man born of a woman will be able to stop us. On God, Onyeze, it is going to be disastrous.
How dare you? Adikuku, do not capitalize on the fact that you are a daughter of the ruling class of Isio Yanato to feel you can threaten the king. Don't!
Onyeze, all I'm trying to do is express how I feel. It's all about my feelings. This is not too much to ask. Equality, balance in the land, rights. That's all. The discrimination is becoming too much. It's becoming alarming. I don't think this is too hard for you, the king, to grant.
You know exactly why I am letting you go after this, Adikuku. Don't push me. Because I am going to forget the fact that you are a daughter of the ruling class. I am going to forget the fact that I see you as a daughter and I'm going to deal with you ruthlessly. Stop pushing me to the wall, Adikuku. For all the people that pushed me to the wall, they disappeared by that wall. Get out of my face. Get out of my face!
Yeah, she's the voice of the maidens. A fearless maiden.
They really have the nerve.
Oh, she's so brave.
How I can swear with my life that the king has a hand in it.
So you don't have to say that. I don't think so.
Adikuku, how can you be saying this? Huh? I'm even surprised that you could not hear or see his involvement through his words. Anyways, my own is that I am happy that we've reported the problem to the creator of the problem. So we'll watch and see.
The king is not a fool. He's only a fool that will commit such an abominable act. Look, the gods are not blind, okay? They will rise. And when they do, even the king will feel their wrath.
Hold it right there.
What's going on here?
Seize them.
What is all this about?
Prince of Isoyinato, what is the meaning of this?
I said seize them, are you
Don't
deaf?
you dare! Leave me alone! Don't you dare touch me! Let me go.
Bring this one. That's all we need.
You will have to fight me first before...
Bring her!
My prince! You will regret this! You will regret this!
Father, there's something I need to bring to your notice. I'm listening. Father, there comes a time where we have to take the bull. What is going on? By the horn. What is going on? I have Adikuku in the palace. That's exactly what I was about to tell you. Maidens of Isio Yanato, I want to thank you for coming before me. I need you to understand something. I am doing my best as king to make sure that the perpetrators of this evil are caught and brought to justice. I am on it, and trust me, I am going to deliver.
May you live long, my king. We appreciate your kind words. But my king, our leader, Adikuku, is held against her wish by the prince of Isionyenato. And that's why we are here.
Well, I am in the position to confirm to you that Adikuku is in the palace. But she is not here as a prisoner, like you may be thinking. Adikuku is here in her individual capacity as a daughter of the soil, who has the palace as a second home. She is not here as a prisoner.
Long live my king. Please, my king. Can we see her to make sure she's doing great, just like you said?
Of course. God, go and bring Adikuku. Inform her that the maidens of this land are here to see her. Come with her. What is going on? Is this why you are dressed like this?
My king, we are angry.
As if there is a ritual going on. No. Here she comes. Adikuku. Thank you for coming to answer this call. These are the maidens of Isionyenato who have come to shake up on you. I want you to tell them that you are fine and that there is nothing wrong with you in the palace.
Beautiful maidens of Isionyenato Kingdom, I greet you all.
We greet you.
I am happy. This means a whole lot to me, and I promise I will not take this for granted. And yes, I was held against my wish, but I'm okay now. I will also want to live with the beautiful maidens of Isionyenato only if the king permits.
Of course. Oh yes, you are free. You are free. Father.
Shall we, my maidens?
Yes.
I am so happy. Thank you all
She's
for
the
coming.
voice of the maidens. A fearless maiden. Oh, she's so brave. She is wise and she is brave. She's a bold and fearless maiden. She fights for what is right and just. She always speaks up for her kind. And she always stands for what is right. She is one of a kind.
What has come over you? How can you do something like this without consulting me? Does it mean you don't understand the place of women in this land? Are you telling me as a prince you don't know the position women hold in this kingdom? I'm sorry, Father, but I cannot sit back and watch them succeed. What? Father, if these people succeed, they are going to realize their powers and they are always going to use it against the throne.
There is a way things are done. As the one who is going to become king after his father, you are expected to apply wisdom always. What is this?
Father, the spirits, the gods, and the forces that guides the throne are always watching after me.
Maybe I have to tell you this. You see those maidens? They represent fertility in this land. That is why the goddess of fertility does not joke with them. The gods cannot be with us when the land is not fertile. You must learn how to treat women with caution. Because when the spirit of Umuada rise against any kingdom, the men hardly survive it.
Father, Believe me when I tell you this. These are not women.
What is wrong with him?
These are mere maidens that were brought up with zero respect and lack of home training.
Can you stop using stupid argument to sustain a very dangerous practice? Stop it already. Azania, I am not going to warn you again. Stop immediately. Stop!
What will make you stop?
Nothing.
Adi Kuku. The maidens you claim to be protecting are dying in numbers on a daily basis. Are you not going to stop?
Is that your plan? Have you been doing all of this to make me stop? Is that it?
What did you just say?
Prince Ezenea of Isuyenato. Tell me you don't have a hand in all of this. Tell me you have not been doing this just to make me stop.
Adikuku, have you gone mad?
Yes, I am mad. I have completely gone mad. Everyone in this kingdom, including the palace, is driving me crazy.
Are you suggesting that I'm responsible for the deaths and rapings of our maidens in this kingdom?
Prove your innocence. If you're innocent, so be it. But if you're not, the gods of Isuyenato will never have mercy on you.